Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
We are all here together because of International Youth Day, and today we get together to celebrate the immense potential of our youth and also to launch two critical initiatives, that is the Intensified Information, Education and Communication IEC campaign Mantatami, and the inauguration of the 171st Red Ribbon Club, which Sri Bhumika Nursing College and here we have hosted this program today here. So today International Youth Day, which is observed on 12th August each year, is a moment for all of us, whether it's a government, whether it's panchayat, organization, communities, to draw attention to the pressing issues which are faced by our youth all over. When we speak, when we can communicate to each other and put forward what our views are and take their views, and that's how I think we can take this campaign forward. That's why that is the name IEC. This communication is the main thing in this. So, and I'm happy to learn that during the course of this initiative, health centers and Goa SATS funded NGOs will conduct awareness activities in 390 villages across Goa, targeting panchayats, schools and other community spaces, educating all of us on HIV and AIDS.